It's Dr. Teresa Cullen bringing you the Pima County Health Update for November 25th, 2020. It's the day before Thanksgiving, gobble, gobble. So let's bring you up to date on the data since it's a Wednesday. We don't have great news to share with you. Actually, we have very sobering news, and I'm going to run through this data, and then we're going to talk a little bit about the voluntary curfew. So as you can see from this first slide, this is our number of cases. We have reached the highest number of cases we have recorded in a week since the beginning of the pandemic. This should be of concern to everyone. Over the weekend, we also had the highest single day number of cases ever reported, almost 900 cases in a day. I remind you, October 19th, that week, we were seeing 59 cases a day. On average now, we are at 350, a very significant increase. The second graph is the hospitalization graph. This is a graph you've seen before. As you can tell, our hospitalizations are still less than they were earlier in the summer. However, they are increasing and we are concerned. Third graph, CLI, COVID-like illness, starting to increase, similar to what we saw in the summer. This is a forewarning of the fact of the increased severity and frequency of the disease. Thank you for looking at those graphs. Now we're going to briefly talk about the voluntary curfew. Lots of questions around this. Why voluntary? That's what's within our purview. Why 10 to 5? What we're trying to do is decrease social mobility late in the evening with the belief that that is a time when there is the possibility of increased transmission of the virus due to activities that people engage in. We encourage you all to get home before 10 o'clock, not go out between 10 and 5, obviously exceptions for emergency and essential services that you may need to participate in. It is one of our conceptual models of adding to layered mitigation beyond the 3 W's. You are very aware of them. What can we do next? This is the next step that was available to the county at this time. So please enjoy your Thanksgiving tomorrow. Thank you for listening to this. And this is Dr. Cullen bringing you your Pima County Health Update for November 25th, 2020.